All right, there's Tyler Brooks. He's all set up.
No sleeping in the hut, you miss your bites.
Yeah, he's had 3 fish in. Hasn't hooked it yet. May change baits.
Yeah.
Okay, brother.
Thank you.
Check on the others. Here we got Brad.
How you doing, everybody?
And Mike.
Hello.
Christina.
Hi.
Hello. Tracy. I came in and their rods are both way up high. I freaking love it.
You have good teachers.
You're all set up. Good to go. All right.
Bottom is right there.
Bottom's right there.
Yeah.
So you know there's a piece of ice or something over there. You can look through the tip of the rod so you know when you drop down you're on bottom, right?
Yep.
Perfect. Now lift it up. I want you to hold the reel horizontally. Put this finger on the reel to give stability, that one, and then put the line on that finger.
Okay.
What you're actually feeling for is that finger right there.
Yep.
Anything different. So I want you to give the little movement. I know you're not on bottom now, but I want you to give that little movement so you feel the weight of the jig. If you close your eyes and you're in contact with that jig, the second you lose contact with that jig, because you know you're not touching bottom, anything different that you feel here is a fish.
Okay.
There's no reason for anything to be different if you've got that cadence going. So close your eyes and I want you to try and set the minute you feel something different. Just keep the cadence going. Be in contact with your jig. Feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. There you go. Your set wasn't strong enough, but it was the right timing. So we'll do it again. There you go. You just caught a whitefish.
Ooh. Would you be moving it like this too, that cadence? When it's up like
just
that?
a little wave.
Oh.
Oh, fish, 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 fish. So, it happens that fast. And if you're not to bottom before that fish gets to your bait,
Yep.
the fish is gone. And simply me having to reach over the back of Tracy, grab the rod off the wall, and get to the bottom because he was coming up to Tracy, meant that we missed the fish. It legit happens that quick. These are stabilizing. This is on the line, so I can feel that slack hit right here. And this is stabilizing as well. And I have my palm jammed up here as much as possible. Okay. I didn't invent this. Okay. All the guides on Simcoe will tell you this is the way you got to do it for whitefish, and they're 100% correct. You see that smile? You know what that smile is? Randy's first Burbot. First drop. How long did that take us?
Wow, we just 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Burbot on. There he is. There he is. He's home. There it is. There it is. That's a good one. There he is. Sweet! What are you doing?
Moving. Whatever possible way I can.
You're right there.
And you're right there. Yeah, we're like 5 feet away. You're gonna see if changing the 2 feet depth difference makes the difference, or if you're just that good.
Thanks, brother.
I think you're just that good.
I think it's just the apron. Once you're up on the apron, you'll be on them.
We'll see. You normally outfish me, so.
That's fucking awesome.
Really line. It's a big whitey, I think.
Could be a lake or could be a ling, you never know.
It might fucking spool me.
No, no. You probably just have your drag a little loose. Give it 2 clicks. Yeah, buddy.
First whitey.
First whitey.
Hopefully, maybe.
So how did that work?
Exactly how you told me.
Yeah?
Exactly how you told me. It came up, dropped right down, started fucking, and it just went slack and it set the...
Yeah. Beautiful. Did you set on slack?
Yes.
That's perfect for your first whitey.
Yes, sir. All thanks to you.
Attaboy.
Swimming towards me.
I should let you land this one yourself. They're so fun. For your very first whitey, trying to get it out of the hole. What do you have on?
Meeks.
Oh, beautiful. Meeks, just grab it, pull it out by the Meeks. There's nowhere to grab them and the gills are always closed. So when you go to reach down to grab them, it's really hard to get them. You have to reach down behind them under the hole and lift them up. But if you're using a Meeks, you can just grab the Meeks, pull them out. Now, when you pull them out of the hole, don't lift them out of the hole. Slide them, drag them along the ice. Yeah.
Oh, my heart's beating. I can't wait to see what this is. I think it's a whitey.
Well, let me see if I can see it down the hole. You're getting a great fight for your first white, man.
Oh, I know. I hope.
That's so
I don't
good.
really care what it is. I know it's something big.
You could also have it under the chin or on a fin. And then, like, I've been fooled and I thought I had Laker on and turned out to be a decent sized whitey that was fin hooked. It's coming up good now. He's got another one. I'll run over there right away. He'll probably have it up real quick though.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a good, it's just a good whitey. You just gotta tighten your drag a little bit. You're just a little loose on the drag. Just got him up. There you go. Yeah, there you go. First whitey, thanks for it. Yeah, right. Now, next one we'll hook in the mouth.
Yeah.
Okay, back down the hole. Get ready, brother. Right here. Thanks, man. No problem, brother. Andrew got one. Look at these 2 idiots. That's Andrew and Austin. And they're down from Sudbury and Penetang. Never caught a whitey before. Today's the first one. Yep. And you each have one.
I caught 2, I put 1 back.
So we're at 3. How long have you been fishing?
30 minutes, 45 minutes.
What you got there?
White gold.
That's a nice one. Where'd you hook that one?
In the mouth this time.
In the mouth!
Yeah, not the gill plate.
Hell yeah, brother.
All thanks to you.
Thanks, brother. No, it couldn't be a better day for it, eh? Look at it.
Beautiful.
Look at this.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Frickin' beautiful.
You just rip it right here?
Yeah, rip the gills. And don't throw it outside my hut. I already have my 2. There you go. Yeah. This is my first whitey on this inline. I don't know how my drag is. Look at that bend. Oh my god, that's hilarious. They just weren't having it. So, I gave Tyler the other rod, but I normally have my clear bait set. So I switched to my inline first rod. That's hilarious. Oh, that's a good one. That is a good one. heavy. There it is. Yeah. It's a Laker. It just fucking shot all the way up to 5 feet, dude. It just chased me all the way up. Now it's chasing me down. There we go. Hooked up. It feels like a whitey, actually. This sucker chased me all the way to 5 freaking feet and back down. That's a beauty little eater. I love those. Another natural. Here you go. Fish on. The lipless. Hello. Hello, Whitefish. How are you today? Oh, it's a nice one. And he is trebled. There it is. Got it. Wow, that's a good size. You deserve to go back. That's 8. That's about a 28 incher. See, buddy? It's not you.
Oh, it's just the spot.
It's the spot.
And I was making food.
Of
So,
course,
you
yeah,
know.
when you're distracted. Yeah, absolutely.
I missed him the first time while I was flipping my sandwich. I can't
Yeah.
believe he came back.
Yeah.
It was meant to be. Beauty! Thank you, Ronald Calrici, for the beautiful Simcoe Slayer. And
Oh, it's a nice size for eating for me.
thank you, Mr. Meager, for the 3/4 ounce. Oh, nope. Maybe not.
It depends on how deep the ice is. I think the ice is deep enough that he'll stay. Here, I'll get him.
Just gonna say, got a hook in my hand. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, nice little eater.
Yeah, buddy.
Beauty.
Everyone's got limits. And more and more. Oh, look. Get down. Get down.
Hey.
Go.
Hey.
Go.